another type of contingency planning that you will need is planning in case you get sued. Insurance is not enough. You need to make sure you're doing the right things at the corporate governance level to protect your individual assets and your personal assets from a lawsuit. The best thing that you can do in this particular scenario when you have to protect yourself from a lawsuit is obviously have insurance and have a good lawyer. Both of those things are incredibly important. But the other thing you need to do is preserve something that in the law is called your alter ego. What that means is that you have an entity over here, an LLC, an S-corp, a partnership, a corporation, something like that, and you have yourself. These two things need to remain separate. You can't commingle them, so you don't want to have a bank account, for example, that you pay personal expenses out of here. You don't want to all of a sudden not respect all of the corporate formalities. So many of us have meetings, we have shareholder meetings, we have corporate board meetings, we have all of these things. You need to document them over here in those corporate formalities in things called minutes and the minute books. And in LLCs, you've got to follow the operating agreements. And you have to follow the rules that you've set up for this corporation, because if you ever get sued, they are going to look, and they're going to look to you personally. And if you want to protect your assets, you need to make sure that you have respected all the laws and the corporate formalities that are intact and really embodied in those agreements and in the laws of your state.